This is a patient, 24 years old. He is from Melbourne and he wished to have a beard, a French beard. After a consultation, and we decided to proceed with him the unshaven technique. And the technique that we remove the graft is the smart FUE technique. This is the Dodi area, is hidden behind the hair. When I lift it up, this is the quadrant taken up. When I lift the upper part of the hair, this is where the donor area is taken. This is the upper hair covering here. When I lift it up, you can see this. When I lift it down, the donor area is covered with the upper part of hair. Now both sides is covered, and I can comb the hair, and this is called undetectable donor area. Patient tonight can walk or go to a function without being noticed that the harvesting already done in the hidden area here. This is just 24 hours after the smart FUE technique. We are looking at all the graft. Here, there's no bleeding, there's no swelling, there's no any dislodgement. This is the goatee on the left side. This is the mustache on the left side. This small area is the phytrum. This is on the right side of the mustache. Again, the goatee, and this is the beard. This is connected. It's called a Y. It's connecting right to the beard here. The density is okay. It all looks very good. We increase the density around here, and we increase the density around here, and this whole thing is now looks very good. This is like a French beard. Extend a bit towards the lower part to complete the beard. We have just completed the smart graft care. We can see now all the graft is much more clean and much visible, and we are very happy the work that we have done.